Here we are in our newest listing. It's a condo in the Frank Gehry architect designed complex with how many bedrooms and baths?
2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths.
It's in Bixby Green. You've got dual primary suites upstairs. Downstairs, you're flooded with natural light. We've got fresh paint, fresh carpet, and we're located in one of the best spots in the community. Take a look. Here we are outside in the patio, so much space.
Not only do you have this private yard area, you have a gate leading out to the walkway, and your parking space is just adjacent. It's fantastic, end unit, great location.
Probably one of the best in the entire complex. If you'd like to see it for yourself, you want your own personal tour, reach out to us directly, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.